Okay. Okay. Straighten the leg. Okay. Extension again. Working from the lower thoracic, very good if you have low back pain with stiffness and rigidity, hypermobility in the lower thoracic junction. Okay, so in the thoracic lumbar thoracic junction. Okay, so one hand stabilizes the pelvis. Okay, and the other hand, so this one, my right one, acts on the lumbar spine and the lower thoracic junction. You can work with the palm of your hand all together. Okay. And see the other hand, so my left hand is stabilizing and counteracting the action of the right hand. Okay, so think about if I do this, the pelvis comes towards me. Okay, so I want to do this, but first of all, stabilize here and the action of the right one. So it can be general with the palm of your hand, or you can also be specific with the fingertips. Right, Anthony? Okay?